This nigga a fool.
This nigga working out.
This nigga gonna go on World Star.
I'm putting it on World Star.
Yeah.
I don't know how, but
I'll put it on YouTube first.
you got almost a minute long.
This nigga tired.
You would think he gets tired, but he doesn't.
I know.
You would think he gets
This
tired.
junk going on YouTube.
Yeah, he can do that like all day.
Putting this junk on World Star, Al. Hey Tyler, we got
World
you.
Star.
We got you in the background, Tyler.
You should be doing it in front of him.
And they
Now
gonna know
you
your
see
name
his face.
because he's going on World Star.
That nigga tired.
World Star.
Justin's gonna start getting money just for dancing, putting stuff on YouTube.
I'm surprised this dude hasn't broke a sweat yet.
I'm telling you, he doesn't get tired.
Hey, I'm your
World Star.
almost 2 minutes.
What's up, man?